Let me show you how we inspect your suspension. We start with the shock absorbers. These control oscillation and keep your tires planted. A worn shock leads to cupping and irregular tire wear, which eats into your profit margins fast. Next, we move to the springs and bushings. These are items that often get ignored. A worn bushing causes handling issues, throws off your alignment, and like a bad bag, will earn you a red tag from CHP. Now the airbags. A leaking airbag doesn't just increase drag and waste fuel. It throws off your ride height. This leads to vibrations, U-joint stress, transmission, and even driveline damage. We check the ride height and the bag condition. And here's the bonus that most shops skip. We inspect the frame rails and the cross members for cracks and loose fasteners. This ensures your structural integrity and stability, preventing catastrophic downtime and accidents down the road. Your safety and bottom line matter to us. That's why for only $100 to the end of April, we'll perform this full suspension inspection. Plus, for a limited time, save up to 20% on select shocks and airbags if you need replacements. Get it done this spring before the summer CHP inspections hit. Stop by any of our California Truck Center dealers today.